We are told that Mrs. Tan is 30 years older than Mabel. Mabel is X years old now. In 6 years' time, Mrs. Tan will be twice as old as Mabel. Write an expression in terms of X to represent these three things, correct? Mabel's age in 6 years' time, Mrs. Tan in 6 years' time, and the equation to solve X. Okay, so let's understand the information given. So currently, Mabel age is X. Okay, and Mrs. Tan's age is 30 years older. That means 30 plus X. Okay, so Mabel is X, Mrs. Tan is 30 plus X. So in 6 years' time, what will be Mabel's age? It will be plus 6 of this. Alright, so you can write it as X plus 6. So the expression for Mabel's age in 6 years' time is basically X plus 6. Alright, and for Mrs. Tan, it will be 30 plus X plus 6. So it will be X plus 36. So Mrs. Tan in 6 years' time will be X plus 36. Alright, and in 6 years' time, we are also told that Mrs. Tan is considered to be twice as old as Mabel. Okay, twice as old as Mabel. That means twice of Mabel's age in 6 years' time. Okay, so this is Mabel's age in 6 years' time. Alright, so 2 times of that is equivalent to Mrs. Tan's age in 6 years' time. Alright, so that is how you come up with the expression. This 2 into X plus 6, this is because twice as old as Mabel. So this is in 6 years' time. So in 6 years' time, Mabel is X plus 6, and twice as old as Mabel is 2 multiplied by X plus 6 is equivalent to Mrs. Tan in 6 years' time. So Mrs. Tan in 6 years' time is X plus 36. Alright, so this is basically the most tricky part. How do I come up with this expression? Okay, so let me repeat again. In 6 years' time, Mabel is X plus 6, Mrs. Tan is X plus 36. Alright, and we are told that in 6 years' time, twice, Mrs. Tan will be twice as old as Mabel. So 2 times the age of Mabel, which is 2 multiplied by X plus 6, is equivalent to Mrs. Tan's age at that time. So that's how you come up with this expression. Alright, and the rest is what we have done before. So we have a number in front of a bracket, we do the expansion. So this is a plus in front, correct? So plus 2 times plus X will be 2X. Okay, plus 2 times plus 6 will be plus 12 equals to X plus 36. Alright, so basically we are going on to part C here. And whenever they say solve for X, the idea is you want to move X to one side and everything else to the other side. Okay, so in this case, I can bring the X over. Okay, so always remember that whenever you bring any term across the equal sign, so this is the equal sign. So whenever you bring a term across the equal sign, the sign will change. Okay, so plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Alright, so for X, okay, the sign here is plus, correct? If you don't see a sign, that means you know it's a positive sign. So when I bring it over, it will become negative X. So here I have 2X. When the plus X comes over, it will become minus X. Okay, same thing for the 12. So the 12 is positive 12. When I bring it over, it will become negative 12. So I have 36 minus 12. Alright, so 2x minus x is x, and 36 minus 12 is 24. So that is the answer for x. Okay, which is the answer for part C. Okay, thank you.